iBUYPOWER Desktop Gaming PC AMD FX-6300 3.5 GHz. Reviewed discount unbox and setup. First, I'll admit I was skeptical purchasing a PC like this online because of all of the bad reviews I've read from eBay and Amazon combined. However, I'd like to know, with limited experience in computers, this PC was easy to set up, start and begin using within a matter of an hour. It's completely plug and play. I did open the cabinet to check for any loose wires as instructed per the instruction manual, but it looked not to be necessary because everything was intact from shipping. The included mouse and keyboard I feel personally are of good value. They seem relatively durable and they function great. I purchased this PC for the sole purpose of streaming from my Xbox One console. Currently I'm able to stream with this PC only at 720p and 30 FPS. This issue may be due to my internet connection, so I can't blame it on the computer, but the streams are good and the captures come out in 1080p using Elgato capture gear. Really recommend buying this PC because it is expandable, well-rounded and the price is right. Currently I can play Rust on Steam at 75 FPS on simple graphic settings. Immediate upgrades would probably include additional RAM and a bigger power supply, meaning the 400W power supply that is provided may not be adequate for any additional upgrades to the motherboard or the processor or any memory units themselves. Special discounts on product. Get the discount link in the description box.